Hello friends, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set fingerprint lock on Vivo mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here first of all you have to move on setting. Okay, after that you have to scroll on the down, then on the down you are going to find the security option. So click on security. When you move on security, again you have to scroll on the down, and here is the fingerprint option. So you have to click on fingerprint, and here you have to select the screen lock. Okay, suppose I select the pattern, you can select the pin or password. Okay, and draw the pattern, then click on next. Again you have to redraw. Okay, rewrite or redraw, then click on confirm. Okay, when you confirm, just click on done. After that, start inputting. Then you have to start. Okay, start to scan your finger. Okay, you just tap like this, then click on done. So here right now you can see the fingerprint lock has been set successfully on your mobile phone. You can set it like this. Okay, so I'll show you. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.